Miller, makers of high-quality fall protection equipment, presents the line of Miller Grip Anchorage connectors. The Miller Grip Anchorage connector comes in three basic models: fall protection, multi-use, and friction bolt anchors. When installed properly, the Miller Grip provides an extremely safe, portable, and reusable anchorage solution for a variety of uses. All Miller Grip models are constructed of stainless steel, aluminum, and other non-corrosive materials for a longer service life. The units are color-coded to differentiate fall protection, multi-use, and friction bolt anchor models. Fall protection and multi-use models are available with 5,000 and 10,000 pound strength capacities. The friction bolt anchors are available with a 7,600 pound strength capacity. All models are fully compliant with ANSI standards. Miller Grip fall protection models can be used for single-point anchors and horizontal lifelines. Miller Grip multi-use models can be used in a variety of applications such as anchoring scaffolding to secure structures, material handling and lifting, and demolition. Whatever the application, Miller Grips are the proven choice for safe, reliable, and durable anchorage connections. Proper installation is important to the performance of the Miller Grip anchorage connector. Prior to use, read the instructions thoroughly, which detail the correct installation and use of the product. Determine the correct size for the hole to be drilled. Using the recommended bit, drill into the substrate with an industrial-grade rotary hammer drill. After drilling is complete, blow the hole clean with compressed air to remove any loose particles or dust. Place your thumb inside the grip's anchor loop and your first two fingers around the trigger. Retract the trigger until the spring is fully compressed. With your other hand, pinch the two spoons between your thumb and index finger. Insert the grip unit slowly and gently into the hole. The stop sleeve should be partially inserted. Both spoons must be evenly placed side by side at the bottom of the hole. Release the trigger and set the grip unit with a slight tug on the anchor loop. The grip is now ready for use. The Miller Grip can easily be removed from an installation for immediate reuse. To remove, simply place your thumb inside the anchor loop and your first two fingers around the trigger. Retract the trigger until the spring is fully compressed, then pull the unit out of the hole. If the Miller Grip becomes stuck, insert a small tipped flathead screwdriver into the hole until the tip rests on the cleaning bushing. Give a light blunt hit with your palm or a hammer. Be careful to not strike the screwdriver with too much force, as it can damage the cleaning bushing. The grip is now ready to remove. From scaffolding and staging to rigging and demolition, the Miller Grip multi-use anchorage connector is ideal for fast, secure anchoring for a wide variety of applications. For example, it can be used to quickly lift concrete debris from demolition sites or to anchor scaffolding to concrete structures. Whatever the challenge, the Miller multi-use grip is an invaluable tool. Miller Grip friction bolt anchors, or FBAs, are designed to be quickly and easily inserted into a 39mm friction bolt. Proper installation is important to the performance of the Miller Grip anchorage connector. Prior to use, read the instructions thoroughly, which detail the correct installation and use of the product. Prior to inserting an FBA into a friction bolt, make sure all debris has been removed from inside the friction bolt. Place your thumb inside the grip's anchor loop and your first two fingers around the trigger. Retract the trigger until the spring is fully compressed. With your other hand, pinch the two spoons between your thumb and index finger. Insert the grip unit slowly and gently into the friction bolt to the proper depth. Both spoons must be evenly placed side by side. Ensure that the spoons do not rest on the split section of the friction bolt. Release the trigger and set the grip unit with a slight tug on the anchor loop. The grip is now ready for use.